Hi everyone! Welcome back again for another video. So for today's video, I will share you guys a very easy and simple makeup look. This makeup tutorial is perfect for all the beginners out there because this look is just very easy to do and we will only use few makeup products. This look is just very fresh, it's natural looking, and it's just very easy to do. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to do this look, then go ahead and keep watching. I want my makeup to look very natural, so I will go straight and apply tinted moisturizer. And for tinted moisturizer, I recommend you guys to try this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer light revealer natural skin illuminator. This is perfect for you if you're just a beginner into makeup because this tinted moisturizer are just very easy to apply and it will only give you a very light coverage on the skin. Then I will just get a kabuki brush and use that to blend. Okay, next, after applying tinted moisturizer, I will now apply a bronzer. And for my bronzer, I will be using the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Happy Soul. Okay, so after applying a cream bronzer, I will now apply a cream blush and I will be using the Merit Beauty Flush Bomb Cheek Color in the shade Cheeky. Then I will just blend it using a brush. Now, I will do my brows and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I will just make my brows very simple because I want to achieve a natural look. Okay, I'm done with my brows. Now, I will apply eyeliner and I will use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. Now, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. And for my mascara, I will be using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. And now, for the final step, I will apply lip gloss and I will be using the Merit Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Pink Bet.